Hi everybody, today we are going to be talking about kilay. We're going to be talking about brows and the different products that you can use and how to use them. And there are a lot of brow products out there, but I do have 6 here with me, 6 different brow products that I normally would, use on rotation, and I want to show them to you. First is your brow styling wax. It is sticky, it has a gel-like texture. You use it normally if you want to lift, tame, or sculpt your brow hairs in place. It's also perfect if you want to achieve that feathered looking brows. Next is your brow pomade. Pomades are generally creamy in formula. It's perfect to really add that definition on your brows if you want a bolder look. This is the perfect product to use. Next is your brow powder. This is a densely packed pigment in a pan, and it functions almost like an eyeshadow for your brow. It helps you fill any holes or spars areas in your brows. And if you want to achieve a defined but softer look at the same time, this can be your go-to. Next is your brow mascara. This is literally a mascara for your brow hairs. If you just want to add that volume and make your brows look fuller, but don't want that defined looking brows, then this is the product for you. Next product is your brow pen, and this is literally, again, a pen for your brows. It's gonna help you create a thin to thick lines that actually look like real hairs. Usually tinted, buildable shades will allow you to go from super natural look to a super snatched look in just a few flicks. Last but not the least is your traditional brow pencil. This is actually my favorite product to use for my brows. It's just so perfect and ideal for outlining and detailing. I like ultra fine tip brow pencils because it can create that perfect tiny hair-like strokes throughout the brows and in areas of sparseness. And it's just a perfect and easy product to use if you want to achieve that natural looking brows. And that is it. Let me know in the comments below your favorite brow product to use. Thank you guys for watching. This is Glam Pinay. I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!